Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from HookedInLoops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I'm back with another granny square tutorial, and I will show you how to do the metered daisy granny square today. Isn't it beautiful? So let's begin the tutorial. For this project I have taken a 4-ply acrylic yarn, and with that I will make the slip knot first and then insert the hook in it. I'm using a 3mm crochet hook. So we will make a ring. For that we will do chain 5 and then for making the ring we will insert the hook in the first chain and do a slip stitch there. Okay, so the ring has been formed. Now we will do the first round. For that we will do a chain 2. This chain 2 is the first half double crochet stitch of this round. Then we will do another chain 2 for this space. So we began with a chain 4. Okay, now in the ring we will do one half double crochet stitch. For getting the link of the beginner's tutorial, just check the description box. After the half double crochet we will do a chain 2. Then in the ring we will do another half double crochet stitch followed by chain 2 and repeat this pattern. In total we will have 8 half double crochet stitches, taking the first chain 2 as a half double crochet. Okay, and after each half double crochet stitch we are doing chain 2s. So continue doing like this till the end of this round. At the end of this round you will get total 8 chain 2 spaces. Okay, so complete this round quickly. We are doing the last half double crochet stitch in the ring. This is the 8th half double crochet stitch, and after that we will do a chain 2. This is the last chain 2 space, and after that simply insert your hook in the second chain of the starting chain 4 and do a slip stitch there. Okay, in this manner, and after that complete it with a chain 1 and just cut the yarn, and the central portion is now ready. We will now make the popcorn stitch petals of the flower. Okay, we will now make the white petals of the daisy flower. So for that we have taken the white colored yarn, made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it. Then slip stitch in any chain 2 space of the previous round. Just do a slip stitch there, and then after that we will do a chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of this round. In the same chain 2 space we will do 4 double crochet stitch. So in total we are doing 5 double crochets in this chain 2 space, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet 2. Okay, and after the last double crochet stitch just pull the loop little bit as I am showing you and take out the hook from there. Insert your hook in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Insert your hook in the third chain, and then from back insert your hook in that loop. Okay, pull the yarn and draw that loop through the stitch in this manner, and this is how a popcorn stitch is done. After that we will do a chain 3. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So the first popcorn stitch followed by chain 3 is done. In the next chain 2 space, we will do the next popcorn stitch. For that, we will do 5 double crochet stitch in that chain 2 space. Okay, after that, just pull the loop little bit, pull the loop as earlier, take out the hook, then insert your hook in the first double crochet stitch like this, and then insert your hook in that loop which you pulled and then pull the yarn and draw that loop through that stitch, and the second popcorn stitch petal is done. After that, do a chain 3 and repeat this throughout the round. Let's show you another popcorn stitch. So in the next chain 2 space, we will do 5 double crochet. After that, we will pull the loop, take out the hook and then insert the hook in the first double crochet stitch and then draw that loop through that stitch, and the third popcorn stitch is also done. After that, we will do a chain 3. So this is the pattern. So repeat it for 5 more times. You will have a total of 8 such petals and 8 sets of chain 3s after those. Okay, so we are left with the last petal. So we will do the last popcorn stitch in the last chain 2 space of the previous round. Pull the loop, insert your hook in the first double crochet stitch and draw that loop through that stitch, followed by the last chain 3, and then we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the first popcorn stitch. Okay, so insert your hook in that stitch. Okay, so let me show this to you again. Insert your hook in the first popcorn stitch and draw the yarn through it and do a slip stitch, followed by a chain 1. So after the slip stitch, just do a chain 1. After that, we will simply cut the yarn. Okay, and our daisy flower is now ready. Start forming the granny square around the daisy. So for that, I have taken a green colored yarn and made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it. Then we will slip stitch in any chain 3 space of the previous round. Just slip stitch there, followed by a chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet of this round. In the same chain 3 space, we will do 2 more double crochet stitch. So in total we did 3 double crochet stitch, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet. Okay, after that we will do a chain 3. This chain 3 is the corner chain 3 space, and then in the same chain 3 space we will be doing 3 more double crochet stitch. Okay, so the first corner of the square is done. After that we will do a chain 1, and then in the next chain 3 space we will do only 3 double crochet stitch. This is the side portion of the square, so we will do only 3 double crochet stitch in this space, and then after that we will do a chain 1 following that. Okay, in the next chain 3 space we will again do the corner, so 3 double crochet stitch in that space, followed by a chain 3 and 3 more double crochet stitches in the same chain 3 space, and with this we completed the second corner of the square. After that we will do a chain 1, and in the next chain 3 space we will do only 3 double crochet stitch. Okay, this is the next side of the square. Okay, so 3 double crochet stitch in this space. I hope you are understanding the pattern. In the alternating chain 3 spaces we are doing only 3 double crochet stitches followed by chain 1s, and then after that in the following chain 3 space we are doing the corner, that is 3 double crochet chain 3 and 3 double crochet followed by chain 1. After that in the next chain 3 space only 3 double crochet followed by chain 1. Okay, just remember this pattern and follow this throughout the round. We are left with the last 2 chain 3 spaces, so in the next chain 3 space 3 double crochet chain 3, 3 double crochet chain 1, and in the last one only 3 double crochet followed by the chain 1. Okay, and it's done. And then we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by chain 1, and then simply cut the yarn, and the first round of the granny square is done. We will do the next round along 2 sides only. So for that I have done a color change. I have taken a darker green color and made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it, and then just insert your hook in any chain 3 space of the last round and do a slip stitch there, followed by a chain 3, and in the same chain 3 space we will do 2 more double crochet stitch. Just observe the pattern. Okay, so in this corner chain 3 space we are doing only 3 double crochet stitch followed by a chain 1. In the next chain 1 space we will do 3 double crochet as usual, because we will be doing 3 double crochets in all the chain 1 spaces from this round onwards, followed by chain 1. In the following chain 1 space also we will be doing 3 double crochets, followed by a chain 1. In the next chain 3 space we will do the corner stitches, that is 3 double crochets, followed by chain 3, and then again 3 double crochet in the same space, followed by a chain 1. Then we have got 2 chain 1 spaces after that. Okay, so in each of the chain 1 spaces we will be doing 3 double crochets in each one of those, followed by chain 1 after them, and then in the last chain 3 space we will be doing only 3 double crochet, followed by chain 1, and we will simply cut the yarn. Okay, so this is how we do the corner granny square. Okay, We did the granny stitches only along the two sides. We will proceed in the same way in the next round also. For that I have taken a red colored yarn and made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it. And then just insert your hook in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round and do a slip stitch there first. Followed by a chain 3. We will consider this to be only a space. In the next chain 1 space we will do 3 double crochet stitches. As I mentioned, we are going to do 3 double crochet stitches in the chain 1 spaces, followed by chain 1. In the next 2 chain 1 spaces also we will be doing 3 double crochets followed by chain 1 in each one of those. Okay, so quickly do that. In the following chain 3 space we will do the corner stitches, that is 3 double crochets. Followed by chain 3 and then 3 more double crochet stitches in the same chain 3 space. Followed by a chain 1. Then in the next 2 chain 1 spaces we will do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1, and in the last chain 1 space we will do only 3 double crochet stitch. Okay, and we will not do a chain 1 after that. We will simply do 1 double crochet stitch in the last double crochet stitch of the previous round. Okay, like this, and we will simply consider this as a space, followed by a chain 1 and cut the yarn, and with this round is also ended. Now we will begin the last round, that will be the border of the entire square. I have taken the yarn, made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it. Then insert the hook in any chain 3 space in the round just after the daisy flower and do a slip stitch there. Okay, and then do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet of this round. In the same chain 3 space we will do 2 more double crochet stitches. So taking the first chain 3 and these 2 double crochet stitches, we did a total of 3 double crochets, followed by chain 3, and then in the same chain 3 space we will do 3 double crochet stitches. So we are doing the corner stitch, and then just do a chain 1. After that, in the following chain 1 space we will do 3 double crochet stitches, followed by a chain 1. In the next 2 chain 1 spaces also we will do 3 double crochet followed by chain 1 in each one of those. Okay, done. And then in the following chain 3 space of that that previous round, the red one, we will do a corner stitch, that is 3 double crochet, followed by chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the same chain 3 space, followed by chain 1. Then in the next chain 1 space we will do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1, in the next 2 chain 1 spaces also we will do 3 double crochet followed by chain 1 in each one of those. So done. Then we are in the chain 3 space, and there we will do the corner stitch, that is 3 double crochet followed by chain 3. And then in the same chain 3 space we will do 3 double crochet, followed by chain 1. Then in the next 3 chain 1 spaces we will do 3 double crochet plus chain 1 in each one of those. Then in the gap between the last double crochet and the last set of 3 double crochets we will do the corner stitch, that is 3 double crochets followed by chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the same gap. I hope you understood. Then chain 1. Okay, after that in the following 3 chain 1 spaces, these we will be doing 3 double crochets followed by chain 1 in each one of those. And we have completed this round nearly. We will just do the last chain 1 and then simply slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1, and then we will just cut the yarn. And our granny square is now completely ready. So this is how we do the mitred daisy granny square or the corner granny square. So I hope it was easy for you to follow and you liked this video. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Also mention if you want to see any other tutorial. I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com, so check it out. You will get my crochet patterns there. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.